He, I'm Fish. I'm going to help you live stream with the DJI Mimo app. If it's an Action 3, Action 4, or the Pocket 3. Maybe the Action 5 will do a lot better than it is today. There is no communication, me live streaming to you, but only visually. Get a GoPro if you're looking to live stream. It's a lot easier and a lot simpler to stream. I'm going to show you how the DJI works and then the GoPro, and I hope it helps you out. I'm trying to help out a person. I'm on the DJI Mimo app. I'm exactly what they're saying, showing you that we are live streaming. If I'm the audience, there is the live stream. I'm 3 minutes and 30 plus seconds in. Live stream connects within 30 seconds with a delay. You're not 100% live, but you're delayed for 30 seconds, sometimes a little longer. On the camera, you have the signal for streaming. On the phone, you have your live stream in progress. Press the shutter recorder to start or stop your recording. If you press start and stop, you can record your live stream. If I do that right now, I'm recording my live stream, but I'm not live streaming to the world. About 5 minutes in, you would think this will connect if I hit the record. You're doing something separate that DJI cannot put it in the app, but they offered you a manual way of recording while you're live streaming. So let me stop my recording. It doesn't interrupt anything here. If you close the application down, you're just going to close the setup down and everything shuts off. So let's end the live stream. But before we do, I want to show you exactly how you're supposed to live stream and what I said to you, how it's done. That's why I asked if you do not mind telling us. You're going to have to open up your YouTube desktop because you're going to have a second phone in order to set up. You're going to open up into your live stream area known as Go Live. I do apologize when I delete things and I have to set things up. In here, you have a manager, which you're going to click. In here, you could monetize, make it visible, put restrictions on streaming software, and open up the program. When you open up this program, the blurred out section over here is going to be the information you do not want to offer to anybody. It is your keys, your stream key. On the top, it says connecting the stream software. The phone and that must communicate to one another. When it's set up in the edit, test, how do you want to go live? The date, the time, the category, the thumbnail, the playlist. It's not made for kids. Is it a paid program? Put some tags to it. All this information you could fill out. Now, I'm just going to write test, and it tells me to save. But already my preview is there. You can see my preview, and you see the delay. You see in the blue that it says live. Once you click the live, then I'm going to back out of this and go into another window and open up my YouTube. I'm going to go all the way into my videos, my content live. There's my test and view my stream. I'm able now to communicate to my audience, but not to the phone And there I am, 3, 4, 5-second delay versus a little longer. We are streaming somewhere about 8 minutes on. That is how you stream with DJI. No matter what you do in the phone, you must get to the device. You can end the stream and it is shut down and give you a check mark and the stream is over and done and you're back to the main screen, your hotspot's off, and you're saved on the internet with your files over there. When that finishes processing to the world, then you're able to come here and watch your video. Please remember to shut it down, your stream, or it's going to be live. I shut it down and it's going to be live. I'm going to now bring you to another camera and show you how it's done. I'm going to end my stream. Now I'm officially off the air. I open my GoPro Quick app. I go to my live stream area. I connect in my hotspot. I'm on public and I got my information already in. And I could record my video and save a copy. I always have to shut it off if I don't want to. All I do here is now is I hit set up live stream. When I hit that, I'm going to open up my page. You heard a beep. I'm going to say, got it. I'm all set up to live stream. Been a while. GoPro live stream is there. I could monetize it. I could make it unlisted, private, and so forth. And I'm going to now just simply go over and place it on the view. When I hit live, that is going to go live. We're going to go live, and all I got to do now is just go into the YouTube app by hitting YouTube. We're going to hit go live. The camera works. View your live stream. Within 20 seconds, this should come up, and within 30 seconds, that will come up. This may take a little longer, vice versa. There we are live. It'd be a 30-second delay, desktop to the GoPro, but smartphone to there be a lot faster once that connects. I can communicate with my application. It'd be a 30-second delay. I want to lower down my audio. That's what I've been trying to do. I can communicate to my audience, and I can write whatever I want instantly to my audience. And there it is. Within 2 seconds, I'm up and running. I could bring the chat window down. Now that is how you stream with a GoPro. So let me go back, test 3. And watch it come up here. Bingo, I'm able to communicate. I hope this video was somewhat helpful to you, that you need to be with the desktop or a second phone in order to correctly live stream. This is how we, the real people, do the work. Now, all I got to do is close the app down, reopen up quick, and end my stream. How was that video? This is how real people do it. I don't make it up. I just show you like it is. I hope I helped you out. And please, down below, if you stayed this long, show a thumbs up, make a comment, and if it was you that I helped out, say so down below, because it'll help everybody else out there. Have a great day. I got a lot of editing to do on this video now, and I hope to help you out.